Dusty Roberts. I'm the team leader here at Luv-A-Rug, and I love to share stories from clients, from our happy clients that send in letters, send in reviews. And this one's about a shag rug. You know, shag rugs are really popular these days, and I'm going to admit something to you. It wasn't too long ago that even we couldn't properly wash a shag rug, and we can now, and they come up so amazing. Most cases, they come up like absolutely brand new. So here's a story from one of our shag rug customers. This is the first time that we've used Luv-A-Rug, but it's not going to be our last. We have a white shag carpet in the living room, and it was looking really dirty and worn in certain spots. We brought it to Luv-A-Rug, and within a few days we were notified it was ready. What a lovely surprise. It came up beautifully and looked brand new. Dusty put a protective coating on it for us, and he even gave us a spot remover for any future mishaps. His manner was professional, and we are extremely pleased with the results. Happy to recommend this company to anyone. Lynn N., Victoria, BC. You know, we actually love cleaning shag rugs now because they do come up so gorgeous. You know, you can't properly vacuum a shag rug. You really, as an owner, you have no way of getting that dirt that's deeply embedded into the rug. It's there. You can't get it out. We can get it all out. We can get out all the smell, all the pee-pee, all the stains, and make that rug look like brand new. So if you have a shag rug, you want to get it cleaned, text me. Text me a picture of it, and I'll give you an instant estimate right away.